Cosalan. We now listen to another message from Baguio Councilor Popo Cosalan.
Thank you very much. Allow me first to greet our elders who are all here in front with us, and to all of you, atak, isuhay, ikuha ko, that isang atin ba tayo, manali ba kita, agsala tayo, saan mantin nonton kita dyo, tayo ipiyang kun ikuhan pangat, mansasahay tayo, mantitinudon tayo, kaya nung antoy, impatawid siya, sunsika tayo, ipatawid tayo mo. Then, let it be better when we give it to the next generation. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Councilor Popo Cosalan.